procedure, or I just get started?
Yeah, you're good to go. Get started. You can share your screen and run the workshop how you would like to.
Yeah, okay. So yeah, sorry for the problem. Yeah, just now. So I will get started. Yeah, I will print my screen now. Yeah, okay. Can you see my screen? Yeah, okay, thank you. Okay. So I will get started. Hello everyone. Yeah, first I will give a quick introduction about myself. Yeah, I'm Jerry from ZenoX Labs. Yeah, currently we are focusing on boosting zero knowledge application innovation and Web3 adoption. Uh, uh, Today I will give an introduction about how private swap works on AlphaSwap. AlphaSwap is developed by ZenoX Labs. Uh, uh, Currently is the most active DEX on Alio network, also one of the grantees from Alio Foundation. Okay, I will get started. Okay, first, I want to give an introduction about the innovation of Alio. So we know Bitcoin is the first blockchain network with restricted programmability and public transactions. Yeah, Ethereum come up to implement advanced programmability with EVM, which now has become a standard in a sense. But still, all the transactions on-chain, all the information is public. However, the case try to make private money possible, without programmability. So now Alio is trying to make privacy and programmability all in one network to give users more options and enable more use cases, which I think is pretty cool. Yeah. So yeah, after the introduction of Alio, I want to talk about the Alio technical infrastructure. Uh, Basically, Alio network has everything you need for ZK applications all in one stack. So it mainly consists of four parts: the Leo language and the snarkVM virtual machine and the snarkOS and the Alio SDK. Uh, yeah, the Leo language define a set of operators and the compiler to compile Leo into Leo instructions. Yeah, and the snarkVM is a virtual machine for zero knowledge execution, which means transfer instructions into different snark circuits. Yeah. And snarkOS is client is node is responsible for block production, consensus network, and etc. Yeah. So basically, there's four parts for in the Alio network. Uh, it With the four parts, developers can easily write a Leo language, and it can be transferred into a Snark circuits with proof and verifying process. Yeah. Yeah. After the introduction about Alio tech infra, I will share some details about the Leo language. Basically, it's a gateway for developers to enter into the Alio space. Yeah. As shown in the presentation, the main.leo program is a simple demonstration about the basic format of Leo language. The transition define an off-chain execution with optional public or private parameters. Yeah, you can click the link here to learn more details about the Leo language and the grammar. After the programmer is finished, basically all you need is to compile the program with the compiler and deploy to the Alio blockchain if you need. The deployment step will cost some network fees. It's also the transaction fees. Yeah. So if you need to deploy the program to the blockchain, yeah, you need some network fees, transaction fees, yeah. Okay, after sharing the basics of the Leo language and the Leo compiler, yeah, I think I can give a sample code from AlphaSwap program. Yeah, the transition here is called swap exact private for private. Yeah, it's a function which can help users convert tokens from token A to token B without revealing the user address. Yeah. For this transition, there will be 6 parameters. The first will be a private parameter called private token in. The format is a private token record. Yeah, it's kind of like a struct, but you can select the parameter. It's hidden or public. It's private or public in the record. Yeah. Next is a token out. It's an ID for the desired token. Yeah. If you want swap A to B, and then B is the ID for the token out. Yeah. The next is a public parameter called amount in. It's a amount that you want to convert. You want to swap. It's an input token. And the next is amount out means the least amount you want to receive for the output token. Yeah, and next is an address. Address is also private, means the receiving address, which address can receive the output token. So here it is private, it's hidden. So the blockchain will not reveal this information. And the last one is also an address. It's a public parameter. It's a public address for the remaining part. So for the output token, there will be 2 forms: the private form and the public form. Next, in the next part, I will talk about the difference. Yeah. So basically, all these six parameters, with all 6 parameters, you can complete a private swap. Yeah. This transition swap exact private for private is one of the functions that we implement for private swaps. Yeah. Okay. So need to mention that the input token for private swap should be private token, and the receiving address will also be hidden. So there's no information on the public blockchain, and only the receiver can decrypt the output token. Okay, that's a program part. So next, I will is a demonstration about our UI/UX for the private swap. Yeah, under the private swap tab, you can input the amount you want to convert. As I just said, the input token should be a private format. And if you don't have any, you need to convert your public tokens to private first. Yeah. As the output token, we have 2 forms. You can set the ratio to adjust the percentage you can bear with the public form. If there is remaining after the deduction with the slippage, it will be returned to the refund address, and you will set in the below box. Yeah. Okay, the 1 minus ratio part will be returned immediately in private form. Yeah, that's basically how private swap works. for the on the LU network and how our program is designed. Yeah. So that's a whole process for one of the private swap. So for the managed private token, you can easily convert your public tokens and private tokens in with a single button. Yeah. Okay, that's basically about the whole background, the tech part and the product part. And next, I want to talk about the tasks. Yeah, so we can have a better understanding about the alien network and the AlphaSwap products. Yeah. So tasks will be three parts. The first one, I hope you can build a transaction to interact with the AlphaSwap private swap transaction, just I listed before. Yeah, I hope you can build a transaction with the right parameters, and then you can submit the transaction to the Alio network with a signature and the correct parameter set. Hopefully, the network will, the validator will put your transactions into a block, and then it is finalized. And you can log the transaction TX hash, and then I think the task is completed. Yeah. Okay, so maybe to help you better understand the tasks and the procedure, here I give a guidance. I hope it can help you more easily to complete the tasks. Yeah, basically there will be two steps. First, you need to set up your environment. Yeah, like you need to install the Rust programming language, and next you want to install the snarkOS, which is a repository from Alien Network Foundation. So I hope you can download them and install them with the instructions provided in their GitHub. Yeah. And next is optional one. Yeah, snarkVM. Basically it has, you don't need to install the snarkVM for this task, but if you want to have a better understanding of Alio, I suggest you can install it and try to use it. Yeah, after you install the snarkOS and the snarkVM, you can generate a key which there will be three information: the private key, the view key, and the address. You can log them in a separate text or notebook. Yeah, both work. Yeah. After the setup is complete, you can I'll give instructions, step-by-step instructions to to make task more easy. Yeah, finish. So first you need to claim ALU testnet credits. So it's a network fees. You need to claim ALU testnet credits maybe from Puzzle or the official faucet. Both work. Yeah. And next, you need to claim AlphaSwap testnet token. Testnet token is, there will be USDT and the token ID I have pasted here. Yeah. And after you claim a testnet token, AlphaSwap testnet token, you can. Yeah, I'm sharing my slide. Can't you see it? Oh, okay. Okay, you mean I will share it here. Yeah, you mean the link, right? Okay. I drop in the chat box. Yeah, okay. So yeah, you can try it. If there's any problem, please let me know. Yeah. Okay, I will continue. Okay, so after you claim the AlphaSwap testnet USDT token, you can convert public USDT to private USDT with the command below. Yeah. So after you finish this step, you are supposed to have a private token on your account, which means your address. So you need to get the private token. So it's not a account model. So it's kind of like a UTXO model. So you need to decrypt. You need to get the encrypted text on the Explorer, and you need to decrypt the text, the encrypt text with your own key, view key, so you can encrypt them and have a plain text. After you have plain text, you can conduct the private swap now. So the plain text you decrypt from the last step, you need to place as a permit here for private swap. So yeah, so command the private swap command I also place it here, so you can, but you need to replace the parameters with your own one. Yeah, so you can finish. Okay, I need to grant. Okay, so okay. Okay, maybe I finish my presentation first, and I will check the permission. Yeah. Okay, and then after you conduct the private swap transaction, yeah, finally you got a TS ID. So congratulations, and you're supposed to finish the task. Okay, I will check the permission now. Yeah, so you can easily visit. Yeah, all the people that permission required the permission, I have granted the permission. Please check. Please check. Okay, okay. Does anyone have any questions, and we can talk about? Okay.
Any questions for Jerry, or does everybody want to start trying the activity, and then any questions that you have, you can ask in the Telegram chat?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So I've dropped the link to the Telegram office hours in the chat here. I'll also reshare the setup instructions and workshop task in Telegram as well. So thank you so much, Jerry. This was really informative. And everyone, yeah, please make your way over to Telegram for any additional questions. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. So anyone who has required the permission, I will grant it. Yeah. So don't worry.